Good morning, students. Today we will look for some example of the parabola I taught you yesterday. Very good concept. How we can find the equation of parabola. A very important thing, when the focus and directrix are given, we can use the definition PS equal to PM. So it's very must necessary to having directrix and vertex. Then we can easily find the equation of parabola. And in the second that type of question, you might have got that the equation of parabola is given and you have to find the 5 things yesterday I taught you. Okay, now let me tell you some question here. So 11.2 exercise I am taking here. 11.2 exercise. Examples are very same, so that I am just telling you directly the exercise. The question says find all the 5 things like focus, directrix, equation of directrix, lattice rectum, equation of axis, and vertex. 5 things we will find. Even it is not told here to find all the things, even it is told here focus, axis of parabola, equation of directrix, and length of lattice rectum. All 4 things were asked, but I am finding the 5 things. Okay. So question we have, suppose third I am taking you, y square equal to minus 8x. This is a question. How you will do it? First of all, I tell you it is y square equal to minus 4x. So I just want to make a rough structure, rough picture for you. This is y square equal to minus 4x. Plus is of the right side, the minus lies on the left side. So we have definitely focus here, and it is a directrix. It is origin point. First I am comparing y square equal to y square equal to 4ax. So along with x we have 4a. Sorry, it is minus, because we have a parabola with a minus sign. So you compare with the minus sign. So 4a equal to 8. So a will be 2. So after finding the value of a, you can just go with focus. So let me tell you that focus will be, you should know it is a0. It is a0. That time it's gonna be minus a0 because it is a left side. So it is a minus a and 0. So I first write for the focus that focus is a minus a0 or minus 2 0. This is a equal to 2. So we have got the focus. Now let me tell you one thing, when it is minus a0, it is a0, and equation of it is called directrix. And what is equation of directrix? It's a parallel to y-axis. The x equal to a. This is the answer. Second, if I write here equation of directrix, x equal to a. So your answer is x equal to 2. So you can give your answer like that, x minus 2 is equal to 0. The third thing, what is a vertex? So one should know, whenever you compare y square equal to minus 4x, y square equal to 4x, or x square equal to 4ay, x square equal to minus 4ay. In these 4 certain parabolas, vertex is always 00. Fourth thing, lattice rectum, length of lattice rectum is always 4 into 2, 8. And last, equation of axis of the parabola. So you should see that the parabola is lying along the x-axis. So depends on what is the equation of x-axis along which the parabola is formed. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. So equation of axis of parabola is itself y is equal to 0. So these 5 things can be easily obtained. You should only know the structure and formulas of the parabola. All kinds of parabola, if you know, you can easily find out it. Okay. So this was a question, easy question it is. Now questions, all questions are same, but I just tell you one more question, 6th one. Find everything, that it's x square equal to minus 9y. First of all, this is just like the picture I am telling you, x square equal to minus 4ay is just downward, and this is the directrix. You first compare with x square equal to minus 4ay, because it's a minus sign, so compare with minus sign. So 4a equal to 9, a will be 9 by 4. 9 by 4. So after getting a equal to 9 by 4, you first go with focus. You should know that focus is 0 and minus a because it is downside of the x-axis. So write the focus 0 and minus a. So focus will be given 0 and minus 9 by 4. First answer done. Now second, equation of directrix. So I want to write the equation of directrix by helping this figure. This is 0a, this is 0 minus a, so 0a it is. The directrix is actually, this is my directrix, it is actually parallel to x-axis, so it is y equal to passing from a. So your answer is y equal to a, it means y equal to 9 by 4, you do the cross multiplication, 4y equal to 9, 4y minus 9 equal to 0, this is an answer. The third thing is now, lattice vector is very simple. 4 into a, 4 into 9 by 4, that is 9. Fourth is vertex, as usual vertex is origin point, and last is equation of axis. So you should say that the parabola is lying along the y-axis, whose equation is x equal to 0. So this is the all 5 answers we have given it. So hope you have got now till 6 question. It is all based on same technique. So hope you guys got the method. Now I tell you some more questions. From question number 7 we can read, find the equation of parabola from 7 to 12. From question number 7 to 12 till we have to find the equation of parabola. Such conditions we are given. Look at, I tell you, that is very important thing. Whenever you are told to find the equation of parabola, you use the definition of parabola, which is PS equal to PM. PS equal to PM, where S is the focus and PM is the perpendicular distance of the point PXY to the directrix, meaning focus and directrix must given. So can you see 7th question? 7th question, you have given focus is this, and directrix is x equal to minus 6. So without taking any picture, or if you want to focus on the picture, I tell you that suppose it is the P moving point, it is a focus 6 0, and it is directrix x plus 6 is equal to 0. Can you see x plus 6 is equal to 0? This is a structure. Now you should know the definition says PS equal to PM. This is the definition. So I would write here x plus 6 is equal to 0. Let PXY is variable point on the curve. So by definition of the parabola, we will find PS equal to PM. This is definition. So PS meaning distance P to S, and PM meaning the perpendicular distance from P to the directrix. That PS meaning perpendicular distance, distance between P and S, which is by distance formula, x minus 6 square, y minus 0 square. And PM is very interesting. PM is a perpendicular distance of P to the directrix. Yesterday I taught you how we can find the perpendicular distance of the point from the line, or of the line from the point. We put x, instead of that x is this point, which is same. Instead of that y, we have a y at this point, but the y is not here, so we cannot put. And then plus 6 upon the coefficient of x is 1 square and coefficient of y is 0 square. So lastly I would speak one thing, and x minus 6 square y square equal to, it is x plus 6 only because it is one downside. Then what you will do? Let me rub this out now. And I will make square both sides. So I will make square both sides. That will give us x minus 6 whole square. Plus y square equal to, it gonna be x plus 6 whole square. There is no meaning of mod when we do square. Then after squaring that both side, squaring that, opening the square here, and it is also like that. We can cancel these two, and I'll manage the next thing now. These two also cancel. So we have y square is equal to 12 and 12, 24x. So this is the answer. Y square equal to 24x is the equation of parabola. So whenever the directrix is given and focus is given, you have to use this definition, and definition is PS equal to PM. So keep remember that idea also. Now in next, question number 8 is also same, so I'm not telling you, but 9 and 10 both based on same thing, so I'm telling you 9 and 10. So 10th I'm telling you, you do 9. Here vertex and focus are given, so I prefer the picture. Look at it. This is axis and the vertex is double. This is, and focus is minus 2 0. So minus 2 0 will lie here. So your parabola like that. Minus 2 and 0 is a focus like that. So it is very simple. When you are given the focus, you can see the sign and you can judge that it is lying on the negative x-axis. Now overall we have a focus but we don't have a directrix. So we can find a directrix easily. How we can? That's very simple. And now we draw the directrix. And we will decide what is that. That is, this is the distance equal to that distance. If it is 2, distance is 2, coordinate even minus 2, but distance is 2. So this distance is also 2, so this is going to be 2 0. So equation of directrix now will be that parallel to y-axis, meaning x equal to 2, meaning x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now question is easy. So you have a directrix, you have a focus, and you know that you have to take a point pxy on the curve and use a PS equal to PM. So same thing, now the structure you have, by definition you write PS equal to PM and go on with the same concept as I taught you earlier. I think you can make it now. So this is a simple way to do it. Push. Now we have question number 11. Question 11 says, find the equation of parabola whose vertex is double O and passing from 2, 3 along the x-axis. Look at it. The question is simple, but it has a two meaning. Make a picture. Vertex is double O, meaning here. So it may be either this one or this one. So both conditions may be possible. You take only one condition, and it is passing to 2, 3. That will decide that it is just along the positive x-axis. Why it is so? Because it is passing from 2, 3 and 2, 3 is lying in the first quadrant. It cannot be like that because that time it will not pass from 2 and 3. So one should understand that your point is here by which a parabola is passing, and that vertex is a double O. So one should understand that your parabola will form like that because in this case only the parabola passing from 2, 3. If you will form a parabola in the left direction, definitely it won't pass from 2, 3. Okay, now question is very easy. So you know that in this case, equation of parabola is that equation of parabola along the positive x-axis is, you know the formula, y is equal to 4ax. You should know because the picture is very simple and also famous that it is a right side with vertex double O. We always have an equation like that. Where a is still unknown, so one can take the help of the sentence that it is given where parabola is passing from this point. So this point will satisfy this one. So I will write here, since this parabola passes through the point 2, 3. So it will satisfy that. Meaning 3 will here, 3 is 9. 2 will here, 2, 4, 8, 2. Meaning A will be 9 by 4 to the 8. You got a equal to 9 by 8 and put again in 1 by 1. Required equation is y square equal to 4a, meaning 9 by 8, x, you have like that, and this is answer. You can drop your answer right here, no matter at all. And question number 12 is almost same that as a question number 11. So hope student you have got the exercise and you can make whole exercise with example by your own. Very easy it is. So from tomorrow we'll have a new formula, new concept of an ellipse. Thank you.